Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to build formulas upon formulas. So in previous tutorials I went over how to trim item numbers. This is how our BOM comes out in the ERP. I just want to be able to run it, drop it in here, and have the formulas figure everything out for me. So here we trim the item number so it's a number instead of having the spaces. Here we've got an if-then that shows the parent for each item number. And then here we've got a child count of the parent here. So we can change this to whatever item number, and then it goes down here and it counts which child is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So what I want to know is how many pounds of each of the raw materials does it take to complete a customer's order? So say the customer orders 500 pounds of this item number, the True Cod Filet backpacks. So let's just look up what the item number is. Oh, we'll have to use an index match because this is formatted as a number, this is formatted as text. So we're going to look up how much of each of the raw materials make a True Cod Filet backpack. So, since we have the numbered raw materials here, so this is the first raw material, this is the second raw material. This one requires 83 pounds for 25-pound box. This one requires 41 pounds per 25-pound box. So we'll start by doing an index match on the child. These are just numbers that are in ascending value that I'm matching them to. And we'll copy that down. And we can see it matches this item number because it's number 1 to this. And it matches this item number to number 2 because that's where 2 shows up. So then I want to know what the quantity required is. So you do a index match on the quantity. So it's 83.33 per 25-pound box, but I want to convert that to per pound because the customer order is in pounds. So I'll do a divided by index match the finish good, and I'm going to anchor it there. In that column. So 3.3332 da 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 da. I copy that all the way down. And so that's the quantity required per pound. And then it's going to take that many pounds to create a 500-pound order for each of the child item numbers. So that's how you can build formulas upon formulas, and this template's always going to work. No matter what finished good I put in here, no matter how many pounds, the total pounds required. And now I've got a template that can tell me how many pounds of each child that I need. And I can pretty it up by looking up what the child number is on here. But that's the basics of it. Thank you for watching.